Get you one of these. Stop listening to the bullshit out there. Stop listening to social media. Stop listening to fucking all legacy media. Fox News, CNN, all that shit. Fuck it all. Fuck these politicians. Get yourself one of these. Then big tech can't be fucking with you. Bad enough. 3-letter agencies fuck with us. This will slow down big tech. I'm happy with it. And I'm currently filming this with one of my other smartphones that is now I call my tablet. I don't even bother fucking with social media. The only thing I fuck with is BitChute and YouTube. And I know ways of making multiple accounts on YouTube when YouTube keeps shutting me down. That's not as regulated compared to Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Stop wasting your life with social media like that. And me putting all these films are just for my personal enjoyment and to complain about shit. That is all.